Forklift safety. Operating a forklift is not unlike operating a car or other vehicle. Rules of the road must be followed, and all drivers must be trained and licensed to operate these vehicles. The following do's and don'ts should be observed by all forklift truck operators. Before operating the truck each day, check the tires, fluid levels, radiator, battery, fire extinguisher, brake, deadman control, warning lights, horn, and reverse indicators. Travel in reverse when carrying a bulky load which blocks vision in front. Face a load uphill when driving on an incline and downhill when the truck is empty. Travel at a safe speed and use extra caution on hills, corners, and ramps. Check the stability of a load before moving it. Never lift loads which exceed the rated load capacity on the nameplate. Follow all in-plant traffic rules and take extra care in areas where pedestrians are present. Drive with hands and feet inside the truck and do not smoke, drink, or eat while operating the truck. Lower the fork and remove the key before leaving the truck. Forklift trucks should be inspected on a daily basis for any defects or problems, and the forks should be checked for cracks and dents each day. Studies show that many of these accidents could have been prevented by better training. No one starts out with the innate knowledge, skills, and abilities to safely operate a forklift. As OSHA requires, drivers must be properly trained to do so. The lesson to be learned is, operating a forklift without training is dangerous and can even be fatal to you or other employees working in the area. Training can also prevent or reduce the severity of an accident related to the stability of a lift truck traveling with an elevated load. Keep the load as low as possible to increase vehicle stability and to help prevent tip-over accidents. Even if drivers ignore this rule and the vehicle tips over, injuries are usually minor if they stay with the vehicle instead of jumping off. The normal tendency is for a person to jump downward, so the driver lands on the floor or ground, usually directly into the path of the overhead guard. The most common result is a crushing injury to the head, neck, or back where the overhead guard strikes the employee. 42% of forklift fatalities are caused by the operator trying to jump from a tipping vehicle. To keep this from happening to you, always remember to keep the load as low as possible and stay with the vehicle if it tips over. Wearing your seatbelt is the best safety measure.